Take a ride in the 2023 Golf GTI. This Volkswagen is considered by many to be the hot hatchback. The GTI is available in both 2- and 4-door models to easily accommodate up to 4 adults. A decent-sized 15-plus cubic foot trunk is well-shaped and easy to load. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, turbocharged, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, FWD. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.